Good morning. We are near Pattaya Lake, and I'm going around to a new tree shop that I found. Well, it is quite new actually, right around the lake. And I've got two big, tall, narrow trees, thin trees, coming tomorrow. I also want to look at another coconut if they'll do me a good price. Now I'm going to go ATM on the way back to pay for them and to give my lovely wife some money and the kids pocket money. Now over on the left here, they've had some an event going on for last week, and up till Wednesday it was quite noisy. But Thursday and last night, I think they were still doing it, but the music was very low or non-existent. So, when it's time of year, cold season, I've been sleeping with the windows open and no aircon. But when there's music, you have to close the windows and put the aircon on for a little bit. I put it on, chill the room down, and then turn it off. And that tends to be alright. Welcome to Pattaya City. Like we were not already in it. Going out of Pattaya, not into it. It says the same the other side as well. There's your Lotus. Siam Sky Pattaya Hotel and a CJ Moore. There's a lot of them, a lot more of those popping up. They got some really lovely big trees in this place and lots of small stuff as well, so I think they'll do well. It's right opposite the park up just before the lake bends round to the last part. Oh yeah, well I'll make a little video of this, and then tomorrow we can film when they come to plant the trees. Yeah, just for information, well, I've got two cameras going. We got the Insta360 X5, which I love for the motorbiking because you can just, when you edit it, you just turn it around to face me, face ahead, face left, right, up, down, wherever you want. And the new DJI Action 6, which I'm both filming in 8K. I'll knock it down to 4K in the edit, but it'll still look better. There's a few bars here. Pat's bar we used to go into, the yellow sign. They say kids in there. It's quite, you know, it's not a naughty bar. It's family friendly, but I've got some girls in there as well. What's that in the road? There's a bit of junk. Always worries are like a dead or injured animal. And if you're coming this way to go Bangkok, in a moment or so, you would take a right and go up onto the Route 36 and then onto the Highway 7. Or you can even get into Pattaya that way as well if you don't mind paying the 10 baht from here. There's one 10 baht toll gate, but it'll get you in a lot quicker than going right around the lake and down Siam. Bloody hell, I always get these trucks coming out just in front of me. Right, here's your right for Bangkok. It's around to get through. No. Yeah. sir. It's just here on the right. We'll go in the top entrance because I want to show you the trees I'm getting. And you've got your park on the left. Oh, he's come around a bit quick, but we made it. There you go. Not slip over on the wet. It's only wet where they've been watering. They might have already moved the ones I'm having. No, it's still there. Now I'll have to angle this when I edit, but basically these right in front of us, but the two biggest ones. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh. Oh, I wouldn't mind that. What's that? It's like a cheese plant, but it's a growing one. That'd be nice on the oil palms. It's on a moss pole or whatever. Yeah, I'll ask them about that. And then you got your big bugger trees here. I mean, I've got a big garden, but I've got so many big trees and I ain't got no room for more, but I would like something that grows massive. But when they're so trimmed, it's hard to, unless you know your trees, like the ties would know, it's hard to picture what they're going to look like when they come back up. I will just show you down here and I'll go and look for a man. You got all your small stuff here, look, and coconut trees. Where's the boss lady? Some soil and stuff. I need some soil, but I haven't got the car on me, so I'm going to be doing that. I won't discuss the price I pay because I haggle them down a lot and I don't want everyone thinking they get them so cheap. I plead poverty, which is not far from the truth. It ain't easy, it's not cheap bringing up a family of five. Now where is the guy? I don't think he's here. We are over here. I'll tell you what, I'll just stop a minute. I don't want to take a camera because it just come out of a shower or something with a towel on. Just go and give him a shout. Well, come and tell the name of your shop to the camera. This is the boss lady. If we just say the name of your shop. Okay. Are we still recording? I didn't mean to be gone for so long, so we'll have to cut out most of that because even I walked so far, even the audio. Now, they only have this bit of a nursery. The other part with the smaller plants and the coconuts are someone else, so I couldn't strike a deal on the coconut because it wasn't bunched in with these that I'm getting tomorrow, so I scrub around the coconut. Hello, good morning. Yes, we're recording. And we got sound, we got Otto, we got Goldie. But today, we've got the new Action 6 ready for a time lapse. Today we've got some more delivery coming, a big truck and two big trees. I'll show you what sort of trees. They're a lot more trimmed up than this one until they grow. These tall ones, now I've been quoted 10,000 for these before. I'm getting two for 7,000. They're not probably quite as big as that. We're going to put one over here. I did want it over in the far corner at the end, dead ahead of us, but there's not room with an already tall tree I've got. So I've drilled the concrete out to put a hole there, but I set the drill back up because it needs to be bigger. So one's going to go in there, I don't want to start drilling, it's only 9:40, so I don't want to start drilling till at least 10 because I don't want to upset the neighbours. And I want this one out and the other one in there. And the reason being is I've made a hole over here for the coconut tree. Now that coconut, just by its shape, will give more privacy. If you look, I'm sorry about the state of it, but contractors walked out and I haven't really replaced them until now. Still going to get a big excavator for back garden, we'll show you that in a minute. But a bushy coconut tree there will give us a lot more privacy. And eventually we'll probably put some fence up along here when we do, but I haven't got the budget. And I still haven't found a good quote for the pool yet. All these tiles need to go, the pool tiles replaced as well, and a leak. But I do need to find a home for my pond life. Been doing a lot of trimming out here. It's my secret garden. Look, we put some orchids. These oil palms are cut off branches, leave a lovely little pocket, which is perfect for the orchids. I bought some moss. I'm going to see if that takes with that. You've got to keep it moist. And all my cheese plants, which the dogs keep getting in to dig up. That's why all the flower pots are there upside down. I'm waiting for my biggest cheese plant to have a new baby, which will be coming as soon as the rains come. I've got orchids in here, most of the flowers are gone now, but they'll come back. Yeah, the YouTube. Yeah, let's get that. There you go. We'll get a better shot later. Backing up on the that look okay? Yeah. Look, come out in the sky. Very hot, sunny, too much.
Look at that, just got my trees in and it's raining. January. It does happen, but not too much. Look at that. I saw cloud building up earlier. That is brilliant. Amy, why are you crying? Have rain, look. Come look, rain. They're going to love that. And say, wow, we've got a new home and some water. There's the coconut we moved. And the one at the end of the pool is a new one. Can we see you? Oh no, you're going to get all wet. Go in the pool, in the pond. And the other one is the one at the back. If you can see it from here, I'm not walking over in the rain. Oh, it's fantastic. First rain since November. That was early November. See you later. Amy, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Please subscribe
Please subscribe
and like
and like
Ting Tong Parang
Ting Tong Panay
in Thailand.
in Thailand.
Ah, lovely. Bye-bye.